Hoverboards have become a popular mode of transportation among kids and adults alike. While there are many high-end hoverboards available on the market, not everyone may be able to afford them. However, there are still plenty of great hoverboards available at an affordable price, with some of the best hoverboards being available for under $200. Number 1. Flying Ant Hoverboard. If you are looking for something very funky and vivid, then you are reading the right product review. Flying Ant Hoverboard from the banner of Flying Ant is the funkiest and colorful hoverboard up till now. I really like its colorful hoverboards and the quality of colors they have used. Like other hoverboards on my list, this hoverboard has passed 159 safety and electrical tests to get the UL 2272 certifications. So stay relaxed, you are not going to be a part of any worst news. Let's talk about its performance. It gives a wonderful and smooth ride on roads, and it's all because of its 6.5 rubber tires which take power from a dual brushless motor. While on the test ride, it climbs up to 15 degrees. The maximum range that it can cover is 9 miles, which you can enjoy in just a single charge. After that, you have to charge it for 1.5-2 hours. In addition to this, its strong and sturdy board can easily accommodate the rider's weight up to 220 lbs. Its buildup of ABS casing means the entire hoverboard is resistant to fire. One more astounding feature that this hoverboard has is, it has IntelliSense auto induction with a built-in control board. This system lets the hoverboard balance itself according to your weight, position, and center of gravity. Apart from this, it has a professionally calibrated gyroscope sensor and anti-slip foot mats that give you a firm and stable grip while riding. The outer casing is a bit weak in my opinion. Number 2. VEVELINE Hoverboards. VEVELINE is one of the renowned names when it comes to personal mobilized devices. Their efficient R and amp winking and laughing smiley team has always focused on manufacturing high-end and technologically innovative hoverboards that are safe and reliable to use. Though their hoverboards are quite expensive, they have launched a new category that is extremely budget-friendly. So the self-balancing scooter that is on my list of hoverboards under $200 is something that will blow your mind. I am sure you will be surprised to know its features. First of all hoverboards of VEVELINE have the latest self-balancing technology. This allows beginners or amateurs to master the art of hoverboard riding within minutes. Apart from this, it has UL 2272 safety standard hoverboards that meet the standard for electrical safety performance. So VEVELINE guarantees you a safe and secure riding experience. Now let's throw some lights on the features of this amazing product. The hoverboard is equipped with 300 watts of dual motor that is under the hood. These powerful motors are responsible to give enough speeds to their wheels that they can hit the top speed of 6 miles per hour. With respect to its price, its tires are of super amazing quality. It has 6.5 inches of tires, which are neither too big nor too small. These tires are perfect to give you a smooth and silky ride on even terrains. Make sure these are not all-terrains tires. Furthermore, the hoverboard is supported by 36V lithium-ion batteries that provide energy to 300 watts motor to keep operating. But for this, batteries have to be charged for a good 3 to 4 hours. The battery life is quite sufficient. A fully charged battery can last up to 6 miles. This means you can have fun on your hoverboard for 6 miles only, but while testing the VEVELINE hoverboard, I feel that it should be more than 6 miles. After that, you have to plug in the charger. Number 3. Hover One Ultra Hoverboard. When customer satisfaction is the main mission of any organization, then you can imagine the quality of their products and services. The same goes with Hover One. Their slogan is 100% customer satisfaction. From this, you can clearly guess the quality level of their hoverboards. There is no doubt in saying that Hover One self-balancing scooters are of high and top-notch quality products. And the most exciting part is, you are getting such a lavish hoverboard is just a small amount of money. After conducting a thorough market survey and the needs of the customer, Hover One has launched a hoverboard that is not only budget-friendly but also has all features that any expensive hoverboard possesses. Let's peep into its features and see what makes it different than others. One factor that influences customer satisfaction is safety. which is the prime responsibility of Hover 1. Ultra-affordable hoverboard has met the national safety standards of UL 2272, which means your hoverboard is free from any catastrophic incident. Not only this, it is made up of anti-fire material that does not catch any wildfire. It has 6.5 solid rubber tires that require a power of 500 watts, 250*2, motor to hit the top speed of 7 miles per hour within a couple of minutes. The motor is backed by 20 lithium-ion batteries that last for 12 miles after being fully charged. These batteries need a rest of 4 hours to charge completely. Hover 1 hoverboard under $200 is available in a variety of attractive and eye-catching colors. In my opinion, this hoverboard is perfect for kids and teens, since it is safe to ride and has colorful flashing lights. I am pretty much confident that children will surely like this affordable hoverboard. Indeed, it's amazing. And the last thing, Hover 1 is providing a limited manufacturing warranty of 90 days. Number 4. Jolege Hoverboard. Jolege, best hoverboard under 150. The fourth one on my list of the best hoverboard under 200 is from the Technological Board of Jolege. Like other hoverboard manufacturers, Jolege has put great efforts to make technologically advanced and superb hoverboards by using cheap and quality material. The hoverboard that I'm going to review is the Jolege Hoverboard, which is a combination of quality and affordability. If you are going to ride a hoverboard for the very first time, Jolege will help you in balancing and will never disappoint you. The hoverboard has 6.5 of solid rubber tires that are not all-terrain, but these rubber tires are anti-slip in construction and will not let you slip over slippery surfaces. Also, a big hand of applause to its non-slip rubber foot pads that give enough stability to the user while riding. Since safety is the most important factor of any hoverboard evaluation in my point of view. Jolege is made of safety-certified materials and it has undergone numerous rough and robust electrical tests in order to gain the certifications of UL 2272. Furthermore, its powerful motors are backed by some lithium-ion batteries that require a good 3 hours to charge. Let me tell you, its charger and batteries are also UL 2271 certified. It means Jolege has assured your safety at every step. Adding more to the safety of customers, Jolege has incorporated the latest self-balancing technology, which makes it easier for a newbie to riding over it. One of the most eye-catching features that will surely attract kids to this hoverboard is, its rubber wheels have random colorful flashing lights that give a vivid and lively appearance to your hoverboard, and these lights look amazing at night. It seems as if the person is riding over lights. And Jolege also has some best hoverboards under $100 as well, which are even UL certified, but this one is better than them. As far as the speed and range of the Jolege hoverboard are concerned, it can cruise up to the top speed of 7.5 miles per hour. With this much speed, you have 45 to 75 minutes of fun riding time, which should be increased. After 75 minutes of the fun-filled and pleasurable ride, you will have to plug it into its certified charger. Not only this, it has a maximum load-bearing capacity of up to 180 lbs. And you will be astonished to hear that it weighs only 18 pounds. So there is no harm in saying that it is one of the lightest and affordable hoverboards on my list. Number 5. Ride SWFT Hoverboard. Ride SWFT, best budget hoverboard. Ride SWFT has always brought something revolutionary to the market. Ride SWFT hoverboard that I'm going to review is one of the best and cheap hoverboards with all those features that you look for in your dream hoverboard. First of all, this 6.5 Ride SWFT Blaze hoverboard is UL 2272 certified, which means it has undergone numerous electrical tests to gain this precious certification. Not only this, it has gained certifications from CE, RoHS, and FCC. This means your safety is 110% guaranteed. Ride SWFT Blaze is attractive and totally budget-friendly. Talking about the performance and other features, stay relaxed, it will not going to disappoint you. In fact, it's the hoverboard that I really like. Well, it has 160 watts motor which is powered by lithium-ion batteries. This motor is quite powerful enough that it can cruise up to the top speed of 7 miles per hour. But keep in mind that its top speed greatly depends upon road condition and rider's weight. Ride Swft Hoverboard offers a mind-blowing range. This hoverboard can run as long as 3 miles, which needs to be improved because when I rode on it for testing it, it just crossed 3 miles and the battery went off. Even its battery is UL certified. Ride Swft has to work on it. Blaze Affordable Hoverboard is equipped with 6.5 rubber tires. These tires are not all-terrain, but they won't disappoint you in giving a jerk-free ride. You can enjoy a smooth buttery ride with these rubber tires also. Moreover, its solid rubber tires have colorful flashing lights as well. This gives a beautiful and attractive look to your hoverboard. You can also find LED lights on the front of your hoverboard, which is totally meant for your safety purpose. Apart from all these features, this hoverboard under 200 is equipped with wireless Bluetooth speakers that you can connect with any portable device easily and enjoy musical hoverboard rides. Ride Swft Hoverboard is a perfect choice for kids and teens. Even a newbie can have command over it easily. It's all because of its smart self-balancing technology, which let the rider masters balance in seconds so that you can fearlessly enjoy your rides. One more thing that I like about Ride Swft Hoverboard is, they always prioritize customer satisfaction. That's the reason their customer service department is always responsive and vigilant to answer your queries. Once you buy from the manufacturer, will never forget you. For me, that's the most important point. Ride Swft also offers a 1-year manufacturing warranty for your satisfaction.